Don't you know, bump it up, you got to bump it up.
There we go, guys. Here we go. We called it again. Hello everyone, hope you guys are happy. Amazing day. XRP is around 63 cents. Beautiful, guys, right? I'm still in my leverage long. I may honestly add to it here in a bit. I don't know, but I'm good to go, guys. I'm ready, right? I'm truly ready. Bitcoin 43K-ish, right? What do we say, guys? It's all about the psychology, market psychology. So in today's video, we have a lot of different things to talk about, right? There's so much stuff happening, guys, that I can't even fathom it at this point in time, right? I can't even go sleep. It's just crazy, guys. So are you ready? Because it really is time to pump it up. So let us begin. Now, guys, we're from part of XRP and the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting from David Schwartz. He tweeted this a couple months back, right? Some new AI generated QR codes. What does that look like? A dragon, right? Some type of a dragon, guys. Some type of dragon. But again, 2024. I'm super excited, guys, right? Because in 2024, dragon will be associated with the element of wood. It indicates a time for new starts, great beginnings, hard work, and power to growth and prosperity from Bearable Guy 123. It truly is time, guys, right? Again, today's video, we're going to be talking about the price action, the Fed, guys, new all-time highs for the stock market. This is just, I don't know what's happening anymore, but it's go time. Not financial advice. What element is also known to be the mother of fire element? So it has the ability to create passion, creativity, and innovation, and introduce new things, right? Our desires will be completed, guys, hopefully. Now, I need to make an AI generated awesome QR code for my proper party admission. Here's the one I made. Nobody asked me for it though, so I didn't get to use it. There we go. Another dragon checkmark, guys, right? It truly is time. Look at that. Maybe next year, David. It happens once every 12 years. Not to mention, when was the last time it happened? 2012. XRP creation year, right? Date. So it truly is time, guys. Why? Because proper party, the connection to what? Dragon. And dragon is associated with the year 2024, right? Every 12 years, 1 plus 2 is 3. Check this out. From, as we see right here, ever note that the Coinbase logo circle is slowly closing over time. Once it's closed, it will be too late, guys. We just talked about it yesterday, right? Coinbase, it's closing itself, guys, right? As you guys can see, as time goes on, it seems like the loop will be completed, right? The proper party, the O, guys, right? A few letters, that's a different font, but as you guys can see, the O, it's closed, don't we see, right? But as we see right here, guys, look at this. Oh wow, this is insane. I can't believe it. The Riddlers keep winning. How? SPT from Mr. Pool. Wait a moment. SPT from Coinbase. SPT spot. Oh, guys, I'm done. I'm not gonna say anything, guys, but at this point, the Riddlers are in control. Right. From Coinbase, we're excited to announce the next phase of our Coinbase International Exchange expansion, the launch of non-US spot markets for eligible customers designed to address the unique needs and demands of our global user base. Beautiful, guys. It truly is go time, right? It just gets better and better as the day goes on, right? As time goes forward, the circle will be closed, guys. Now time to complete the circle from Elon Musk. Even he stated it. Right, a circle. Now, when we talk about circles, right, a loop, and all these connections, well, don't forget USDC. The name is literally called Circle. Wait, what? Circle, the company, right? USDC, the stable coin. As we see, XRP and USDC, a marriage is being formed. Right, this was from Coinbase as well. The loop is being closed off, guys. Fast and free for all Coinbase users. This was from a long time ago, though, right? As you guys can see. Then, the CEO at Circle, guys, quote, to scale USDC, we could use something like Brad's company. Oh, you don't say? Right? New Bank, Ripple 2021, New Bank USDC 2023. Oh, wow, guys. As we see right here, According to the CEO of Circle, the partnership reflects a crucial moment in USDC's global expansion, right? And then this ties into what? With New Bank, right? Circle's collaborating with New Bank, guys. New Bank is connected to Ripple, right? A partnership. You just can't make any of this stuff up at this point in time. Now, here we go, guys. I can't believe my face. We just created a new all-time high for the Dow Jones. I'm done, right? At this point, I'm done, guys. We called it. Why? No one else. Name me one other person, guys. All the analysts in 2023 were calling for the collapse, doomsday events, bloodbath, right? Everything you can imagine to the downside. We were the only people who said, up we go. And what happened from that point onwards? Come on, guys. Look at that, right? We started moving up. We even created a new all-time high. People thought that's impossible to do, but the Dow Jones just did it. I can't believe it, right? SPX, it's getting there. Can't make this stuff up, guys. So, as we see, things are looking good because now cryptocurrencies will follow the stock market, guys. I can't. 2024 prosperity. Here we go. I'm super excited, guys. Let's go, right? And another connection from the Riddlers. Look at this. Fears the US dollar could be heading for quote unquote collapse. And then which helped surge Bitcoin's, XRP's, Ethereum's price upwards, right? When we talk about a USD downfall, this is the DXY, guys. Look what just happened today. Oh, you don't say. A plummet in price, guys, right? That's insane. Why? Because of the Fed. We're going to be talking about it right now. Come on, guys. So, here we go. Summary of Fed decision. 1. Fed leaves rates unchanged for a third straight meeting. Beautiful, guys, right? We told you today. Again, today it happened on this day, guys, on the 13th date. And the Dow Jones created a new all-time high on a 13th date. They're not playing around anymore, right? They follow the heavens above, guys. You just can't make this stuff up at this point in time. This is insane to me, right? The Riddlers are obviously in control. Fed says growth of economy has slowed since Q3 2023. Most Fed officials see interest rate cuts in 2024. Bad sign, but for short term, guys, it's really good. I know. Come on, Bitcoin. I know you have the wings. I know you have the wings for you to fly high and create a new all-time high before the halving date. I know you got it, Bitcoin. Come on, right? Complete the triangle, which you did it before, then the diamond. So, median projections shows 3 rate cuts in 2024. Fed sees 4.1% unemployment by end of 2024. Fed sees US GDP growth at 2.6% in 2023 and 1.4% in 2024. The market is pricing in double the number of rate cuts in 2024 than the Fed projects. Again, something's probably going to break at that point, guys, right? But we're not there yet, so I'm not too worried. Again, all I want to see is damn all-time highs, guys, for the cryptocurrency market. It says the stock market just checkmarked, right? The Dow Jones, guys, that's insane. Who even thought we were the only people? This is the craziest thing. Breaking, the Federal Reserve leaves interest rates unchanged, remains at. Again, they're just pausing. Really good, guys. Fed Chair Jerome Powell says we are pleased with the progress on inflation, right? I mean, I don't know about that one, but it's good for the markets. So for the first time since the Fed started raising rate cuts, the reason I said that, guys, because these people are already wealthy, right? So it doesn't even matter to them what happens with inflation. It's still high, right? But to the markets, it's just looking good, guys, right? The markets thinks they're going to just keep bringing it down, but they will when the black swan hits. Not yet, though. New all-time highs, please. So for the first time since the Fed started raising rates, Chair Powell is saying everything the market wants to hear, guys. Exactly right. The Fed is signaling that rates have peaked, cuts are coming, and a soft landing is coming, guys. Let us see. Now everything else is going ballistic, but what about XRP, our precious XRP? Look at this chart, guys. This is XRP, right? It's coiling up like a damn snake, and it's about to explode to the upside. Hopefully, when it goes, it's about to go, and it seems like David Schwartz just exposed the XRP's price timeline, possibly, right? So white rabbit. So someone decoded, guys, right? They compared Ethereum's price to XRP. Why? Because of David Schwartz, the comparison. Okay. I certainly wouldn't be selling my XRP at $1, but I won't be waiting 5 years for 4 digits. Let us pay attention. This is insane, guys, right? This seems like this may honestly play out in 2024. Let us pay attention. Not financial advice, though.
As many of you know, I sold 40,000 Ethereum at $1 to put solar panels on a house I no longer own. That Ethereum was worth over 100 million shortly after, one of 5. Now, what's really interesting, looking through some of the replies, is that nobody's really delved into how much Ethereum would need to be to give him 100 million and how long it took. Well, here's a little glimpse. So let's look immediately at $1. It left that price range on the 11th of January 2016. And this is what happened immediately after. So we had a nice pump up.
Look at that, guys. That's so insane. So if XRP does follows Ethereum's price action from many years ago, right? Even though someone's going in the comments right now, someone's saying, oh, the circulating supply or the market cap is completely different than then to now, or XRP versus Ethereum. Yes, we get it, but remember, everything's manipulated, and supposedly David Schwartz does sometimes give clues, right? If not all the time, or sometimes, let's just say. So we're not too ahead of ourselves, but Ethereum left the $1 range. It immediately exploded to the $2 and something range, right? Stalled out, then exploded higher and higher and higher. Now, XRP went to the dollar range multiple times, but this is what's quite interesting. David Schwartz came out with this tweet just recently, right? Never before, but just recently. Think about it. I think he did once before, but that was a long time. But now he went in depth about this Ethereum price action, right? Missing out on the boats and all sorts of stuff. So pay very close attention.
Never saw $1 again.
Oh, and not to mention, I just want to point out, we are still in the cheap phase of XRP's price. Why? Because Bearable Guy 123 still hasn't changed his banner. He's looking at the sun and blue skies, the golden sun and blue skies. When he does change it, it's probably going to be what you missed a train. Not financial advice, though.
Kept going. Lots of up and down, very volatile. Kept going. A lot pump up. Never saw $1. So we had a nice pump up. Never saw $1 again. Kept going. Lots of up and down, very volatile. And concluded its first mini bull run at $15, 2 months and 2 days later on March 13th, just over $15. And it goes all the way up to $50 1 year and 2 months later. So following March, it gets up to $50. Now,
there we go. That's fascinating. So imagine here in the next few months, guys. Now, I don't know. This is just purely speculation to the maximum degree. But if this chart were to play out soon, then it seems like we're good to go. $15 comes in, right? It goes higher than what people expected at $10 exactly. Then it cools off for the next year and a half or so, and then if it follows Ethereum, it goes to $50.
that would have made a lot of money. Fine for that small, and then to actually get to 2,500, you are talking April the 15th, 2021, which is 5 years and 3 months after leaving its $1 range.
There you go.
But as you can see, on the 15th of April 2021, Ethereum hit $2,500 before continuing. But its journey was very...
So as you guys can see, right, it took some time. So if it does follow, I mean, I'm definitely taking profits here, guys, before the recession or whatever occurs. So aside from that, here are a few deltas for today. Mr. Pool deltas for 12.13, and then suddenly, as we see right here, interesting, right? Stay with the package. Don't let go, perhaps. He even liked the tweet that says, and then suddenly right there. And then suddenly, huh? That's how it always happens. Even David Schwartz came out with something called Smash or HODL, guys, for Bitcoin, right? Possibly connecting to today. I don't know. But that's interesting, isn't it? Now, the fountain for today's Zero Customer Baba Cooks. After today, I'm done for good, guys. All we need to do is survive till, again, the end of the bull run, right? We just need to survive. Let's see what happens, though. Again, I'm staying here until I see new all-time highs, guys, hopefully. Not financial advice, though. What is Sophia's amazingness? See ya. Wow, things are getting crazy, aren't they? Exciting times on the horizon.